Erasmus for Young Entrepreneurs program has been co-funded by the European Union.
Hi, my name is Teo. I'm from Slovenia, from Ljubljana. I'm 31 years old and I'm currently at the Erasmus exchange program here at Ugar Brewery in Hungary. A few years back, when the craft breweries were popping up in Europe, I was fascinated by them and I really wanted to work in one of them. Unfortunately, because of my lack of experiences, I didn't find the right employer. But a few years later, I'm here with the help of Erasmus for Young Entrepreneurs, without any background in brewing, doing my exchange here at Ugar Brewery, where I'm learning the whole process from the beginning till the end.
The Ugar Brewery, we founded it in 2017 with my wife, Kota. So it's a family corporation with a lot of very nice people. Usually we are working together with youngsters. We are making new wave beers, for example, IPAs, APAs, stouts, sours, different kind of fruit beers, and so on and so on. In the beginning of 2021, when Teo wrote us an email that is it possible to join us, to join in our team in this program, in this Erasmus program, I was very happy about it. In my previous work, I was working in different kind of NGOs and I wrote several Erasmus programs. So that was a very big thing for me that I can be a part of this program again, and through Teo we can collaborate in the European Union.
I heard about the Erasmus for Young Entrepreneurs a few years back at my university when I was still a student. At that time I knew that maybe sometime in the future I would like to join the exchange, and a few years later I'm here actually taking the program. I think it's a great program for young, unexperienced entrepreneurs to see the whole business, whichever at the glance from the start till the end. The matching process actually with my host entrepreneur was kind of straightforward, pretty easy. My friend who lives here got me a contact of Ugar Brewery. We set up a Zoom meeting with him. I explained everything about the program, about myself, with my limited experiences in brewing. He was super open-minded and we set up the whole program. We filled up the paperwork, and a few months later I started the exchange, and we're here at the end of it, so pretty glad for it.
During this program, Teo could take part in many fields of the brewery business, and now we are working on to find out how to continue our work when he will be again in Slovenia.
The best thing here at my exchange program is that I can see the whole process of brewing a beer. Not just the brewing process, but the whole thing behind the brewing. How to start a company from a hobby into a professional microbrewery, to what happens in the background, like washing kegs, logistics, running the combinat bar that we are running right now, how to talk to festival organizers, how to buy ingredients for making beer, and all the things that falls into that category. I really recommend this program to anybody who is thinking about starting their own business or has already started its own business. It's a really good program to get first-hand experience from people who done it before, who walked the road before, who can like give you like some tips and tricks about how to start it, what to be careful about, and after 6 months you will get everything that you need to start your own business when you return home.
Erasmus for Young Entrepreneurs program has been co-funded by the European Union.